recording. Yep. What's going on, YouTube? Your boy Neil back with another banger, and as you can see, we got the GoPro. Finally invested. Let's see if this looks good. We gotta test it out. That looked good, but we finally got the GoPro. I got I think it's a Hero 11 Black Mini. I ain't gonna lie, it's good. It does what it has to do. Go ahead, drive, go around. But it does what it has to do. I like it. I have the GoPro, I have the mount for the helmet and everything. I don't know if y'all saw it, guys. I posted like 2 videos already, or 3 videos of me riding. I don't have my headset and the microphone connected yet, so it's not really like, it's good quality, but you can't hear nothing yet. You can't hear me yet, but is that who I think it is behind me? That ass is. But I'm about to go pick up a new graphics card, not graphics card, SD card. These birds. I'll give you a little mini pull. Ooh, popo. Probably a nice day out. It was raining, but on Tuesday it's gonna be really nice, and I'm gonna give y'all, hopefully my microphone could come in by Tuesday so y'all could get that, because that's gonna be what's that, you know, the motor vlogs are gonna go crazy, and I know y'all gonna enjoy that OD. But you know, we've been doing a lot of content with the E46, and that has a coolant problem right now. So right now, can't really drive it like that. So right now we have the F10 and the bike, and I've been driving the bike a lot. And then, yeah, I've been recording that stuff like that. Let me know if y'all want like a mini little video with that. But this is the first day car POV with the GoPro. Let me know down below if y'all like the quality is compared to the phone, because I spent a pretty penny on this, I ain't gonna lie. And I don't know why I'm like kind of nervous. I haven't did this in a minute. It's been a while, because like the last video I recorded POV was the one I just posted it from me cruising from Connecticut, and that, I don't know why from this to now, because it's been a minute. I'm still kind of under the weather. I'm kind of sick right now, but I just wanted to get y'all a little content, because y'all haven't had a good POV video in this car in a while. So that's why I want to give y'all this with the GoPro and stuff. So I do have a video coming out soon after this one, I believe. I still gotta edit it, but I'm gonna lie, the E46, it's about to go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I'm aiming for -10 degrees of camber in the rear, but I'm trying my hardest. Right now I'm sitting at like -8, I think, and I still gotta like tweak some stuff about it and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna lie, it's starting to look crazy. I got the grills, as y'all saw. I got the grills in. I still need to get a mirror. I still gotta get the rear bumper, but it's little by little. I know I want to get it ready for GAT and take it down there to Tennessee and stuff like that, but little by little. It ain't no rush right now. Once it's like a month, I'm gonna really have to grind, but until then, I have everything on the car already, so it's just the little things. I have the short shifter and then the DSSR to go to support it and stuff like that. I'll put a picture on the screen, but I have all those things. Like, everything is ready, but till then, I don't know. For this, I don't even know if y'all, I didn't even do it yet. I'm gonna put those clips in this video, but I put the mirror caps on, I put the rear wing on this car. All I gotta do is put the lowering springs, and this car's pretty much done. I'm not trying to go OD with this car at all, because once you go, like, I ain't gonna lie, this is the daily. I'm not trying to go too OD. I still gotta do my downpipe and tune, but until then, I've been cruising the car like this. I put, I want to say roughly 2,000 miles on the car since I bought it, and that's not bad. I don't really drive this car as much. Like, when I first got it, yeah, I was driving a lot more, but right now I don't really drive it as much, because when it's a nice day, like tonight, I take the bike to work. I drive the E46 to work. I don't really take this out if I don't have to. Because I like to save miles on this car, and I'm paying it off, so I just want to save miles if I can. But shit, quick little vlog to give you a little POV. It's really like a tester, see how y'all enjoy the GoPro footage in this car. Y'all gotta let me know down below if y'all really do enjoy this content, because I'm gonna keep up with it, because I enjoy doing the content for y'all, and I got some real content coming soon. And I want to give a shout out to my boy Jaheem for really grinding. He just hit 100 subs. That's crazy. He just started I want to say like a month and a half ago, 2 months. So he's really been grinding the past 2 months, and it shows in his numbers and it's reflecting. I'm really proud of him, because I'm the one that pushed him to do it, because he was very on the fence about doing it, but now he's doing it and he's enjoying it. So I'm proud of him. Want him to keep grinding. You feel me? We're gonna make it big soon, so we gotta keep grinding. So we're gonna keep doing what we gotta do. I'm gonna give you a little tunnel pull. Let me get underneath there, drop the windows. But I'm really excited for the bike. I've been learning, I've been practicing, I've been teaching myself certain things about the bike and stuff like that. So once I get the microphone situation in the helmet, y'all gonna get like actual motor vlogs and stuff, because that's what I really want to do. Woo! Bumbo clot. Let me get a little rev. Car's kind of quiet, but as you see, Best Buy's right there. Gonna go pick up a new SD card, and that's pretty much the end of the vlog, because it wasn't really much. I gotta pick a new SD card up, but until the next one, because the video's coming out next week and I don't want to miss it, so sub up, turn on post notice, all the above, so y'all don't miss the amazing content, because I got some crazy stuff coming. Ooh, what is that? Just lower, that's just tough. But y'all don't want to miss the amazing content I have coming for y'all. I've been grinding. So once y'all see that new content, y'all gonna enjoy it, and when y'all see this one, y'all gonna enjoy it. I just always know y'all gonna enjoy it. But other than that, O'Neal out. Peace.